Yo, what's up Roblox fans? Welcome back to another video. It's 2025 and Roblox is bigger than ever with over 380 million monthly players. Today I'm dropping 5 epic tips to help you level up your game, create awesome games, and stay safe in Roblox. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, stick around because these tips will change your game. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Roblox content. Tip number 1. Master Roblox Studio Basics. Roblox Studio is where the magic happens. You can create your own games in 2025. This is where the magic happens. Roblox Studio is free and super powerful, but can feel overwhelming. Start small. Learn the basics like adding parts using the terrain editor and scripting simple actions. Pro tip: check out free tutorials on YouTube like the Roblox Studio Basics series to understand variables and events. Practice by building a mini obstacle course. Trust me, it's fun and teaches you the ropes. Challenge: create a basic game in Roblox Studio this week and share it in the comments. Tip number 2. Stay safe and avoid scams. Safety is huge in Roblox, especially in 2025, with all the new players joining. Scammers are out there trying to steal accounts or limited time items with fake links or cookie loggers. Never click suspicious links in chats or Discord servers, even if they promise free Robux. Use two-step verification and never share your password. If you're trading, double-check the trade window before confirming. Want to learn more? Check out my video on Roblox scam prevention linked below. Quick tip: report suspicious players using the in-game report feature to keep the community safe. Tip number 3. Boost creativity with trending game ideas. Roblox has over 40 million games, so standing out as a creator is key in 2025. Trending genres include role-playing simulators, adventure games, and family-friendly experiences. Try designing a game inspired by Animal Crossing vibes or a fast-paced PvP arena. Not sure where to start? Remix a classic like a hide-and-seek game with a unique twist like futuristic maps or custom avatars. Use free assets in Roblox Studio's toolbox to save time. Engage your audience. Ask players for feedback in your game's description to make it even better. Tip no but. Optimize your avatar for 2025 trends. Your avatar is your Roblox identity, and 2025 is all about layered clothing and dynamic accessories. Experiment with free items in the avatar shop or create your own designs using Roblox's clothing templates. Hot tip: join Roblox community groups on X or Discord to find limited-time free items or promo codes. Also, check out the YouTube Simulator Z script for fun avatar upgrades in specific games. Just make sure it is from a trusted source. Show off your style, drop a screenshot of your avatar in the comments for a chance to be featured in my next video. Tip number 5. Join the community and collaborate. Roblox is all about community. In 2025, join groups or Discord servers to connect with other players and developers. You can find teammates to help build games or just vibe with friends in games like Blocks, Fruits, or Adopt Me. Look for beginner-friendly scripting communities on the Roblox Developer Forum. Collaborating can spark new ideas and make your projects epic. It's way more fun. Action step: join a Roblox group this week and share your favorite one in the comments. That's it for today's top 5 Roblox tips for 2025. Which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and do you forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Roblox hacks and tutorials? Want to dive deeper into scripting? Check out my Roblox Studio beginner guide link below. See you in the next video. Stay awesome, Roblox fam. It's me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more epic Roblox content and check out the awesome videos linked below. Keep rocking, Roblox fans. See you in the next one. Peace out.